Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the question paper that we had on Sunday on IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, everyone? Okay, so first one. Yeah, here we have, see, I'm writing this structure here also. So on CH2, we have Cl, then we have C, double bond C. Here we have bromine. Here also we have bromine. Then CH2, and here we have Cl. Okay. So, and we have to follow that secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Okay. Now, first we have to number the carbon atom. According to functional group is greater than multiple bonding and it is greater than substitution, which is in alphabetical order. Okay. So see here we have multiple bond, we have double bond, right? So from both of the end, from here and here also, it distance is same. Okay. So if distance is same, so we'll go for substitution now. So bromine from both the side, again the position will be the same. So if you can count number from any side, number name will be the same. Is it or not? So I'm just counting number of carbon from this side. So it is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, and carbon number 4. Understood that numbering of carbon atom? Everyone? Do you reply?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So if you want to like draw the bond line structure for that, so it can be like this. Here we have double bond. Here we have chlorine. Here we have chlorine. Here we have bromine, and here also bromine. So this is the bond line structure for that. Okay. So first we have to write substitution. Okay, means secondary prefix. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 we have. So two are similar, bromine, and bromine will come before the chlorine because chlorine starts from C and bromine starts from B. So bromine have more priority because it comes first in alphabetical order. So we had 2, 3. This 2, 3. See, bromine is 2 times. So for 2 times we are using di. Okay. For bromine we are using bromo. So 2, 3 dibromo. Then we have chlorine. So it is on first and fourth carbon. So 1, 4. Again it is 2 times. So di. For chlorine we are writing chloro. Okay, chloro. So now substitutions work is done. Now it is not cyclic, so forget about this. Now we have word root. So number of carbons are 4. So for 4 we are writing but. Okay, and see we have primary suffix means multiple bond and it starts from second carbon. So we have to write 2ENE. Done. Samarth. Samarth.
Yes, sir.
Match your answer. Sadam, you also. And everyone.
Yes, sir. Got
Match
it.
your answer. Your answer was correct?
Yes, sir. It was right.
If correct, then give 4 marks for that. 4 marks. Okay. Amtur, understood, beta? Amtur, Aditi, Garima,
Yes, sir.
Shamhita, understood now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amtur Rahman, your voice, I think, not connected. Okay. So now second question we are going to solve. Second one. Here, B. So for that, this is A. Now I am going to draw B. So here we have CH2. On CH2 we have chlorine. Then here we have C, double bond O. Then CH2. Here CH3. Oh, no. Here we have CH only. Okay. Then here we have CH3 and here also CH3. This is the structure, that one, right? Yeah. See here, we have functional group and it is the ketone, and its minimum position will be from this side. So we have to number the carbon from this side only. So this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4 and 5. So this is our main chain. This is our main chain. So methyl group, again substitution, chlorine is substitution. Okay, and here we have that double bond O with carbon is functional group. Okay, so now first we have to again follow, see all the time we have to follow that structure only, not different one. Okay, so secondary prefix, first we have to write substitution. So we have again two substitution, one is methyl and other is chloro, and chloro will start from C. Yeah, so first chloro, so its position is 1. So if you want to, like, if it is in first position, if you want to, if you wish to like provide first position, okay, it's on you. If it is not necessary to have to mention the first position, but I'm mentioning here 1 chloro, or instead you can write direct chloro also, will also do 1 chloro. Then methyl is attached on 4th carbon, so 4 carbon, no 4 methyl,
So is
4
it right the
beta,
one? Is it
beta.
compulsory? Is it compulsory to write the one before chloro, or can we just write chloro
No,
direct?
see, only one position if you want to mention. Okay, it is like good. If you don't want to mention, so we will do also, because if you are not writing that 1 chloro, that means that chlorine is attached on first carbon. Okay,
So
if
it's
you
not
wish to,
compulsory to write one, right?
yeah, it is not like necessary to mention. Yeah, it may be chloro 4 methyl, that will also do. Okay, but if possible, do mention 1 chloro 4 methyl. Okay, now we have primary prefix. It tells about cyclic nature, so it is not cyclic, so just go for next WR with word root. It tells about number of carbons, so we have 5. So for 5 we are using pent, so I am writing here pent. Okay, then primary suffix tells about carbon carbon, multiple bond and single bond. So all the carbon carbon single bond, so for single bond we are writing A and E. Okay, and then last we have to write name of functional group. So it is on second carbon. Okay, so see, when we are writing name for ketone group, we are using on instead of E, so replace E by on. So here we have to mention position also. So I'm just removing E. Its position is 2 and on. Okay, so it is 1 chloro 4 methyl pentane to on. Now everyone just match your answer.
Yes, sir,
Just
it's
match.
correct.
Correct.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
right.
Sir, but
Okay.
I think you
So
forgot it, sir.
another 4 marks.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
just if you want to take a screenshot, everyone, like Aditi and other students, Samhita, because you probably you haven't sent your answer also, so just write it or take a screenshot. I'm going to erase it now. Done?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yeah.
done, beta? Uh-oh. Okay, so now next we are going to solve the next one. Okay, C1, that one. Okay, so I'm no writing here only. So this is the main channel. This is the main chain beta. Okay, so here chlorine, bromine and a methyl group are the substitution. So see, on all these three substitution, bromine will come first because it start from B. So we have to check minimum distance for bromine only, because we don't have functional group, we don't have multiple bonds. So we have to check minimum distance of B only. So it will be closer from this direction. So it is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So now again we have to write name of bromine first, then chlorine, and then methyl. Okay. So we have 3 bromo, 3 bromo, then 2 chloro, 2 chloro, then 5 methyl, 5 methyl. See, I am using the dash, commas wherever they are needed. Okay. Okay. So substitution is done. It is not cyclic, so just don't go for primary prefix. Then word root we have 8. So for 8 we are writing oct. Okay, and all the carbon single bond. So for that we are writing ANE. So it is 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 5 methyl octane. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Just
I
match your
have
answer
the same
also.
answer. Yeah, it's correct.
Yes, sir.
And
Me.
Shadab? Okay. And what about others? What about others? Okay, now next. Okay, so we are going to write name for D now. So for that we have to draw the structure here. So it is CH3, then CH2, then CH. On CH we have OH, then C double bond O, OH. Okay. So here we have carboxylic acid group, and here we have alcohol group. So if we'll check the priority, carboxylic have more priority. So this will be carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, and carbon number 4. And here that OH group will act as a substitution. Okay. So it is 2-hydroxy. 2-hydroxy. Then we have
Butanoic acid.
4 carbon. Yeah, 4 carbon. So for but, for carbon single bond AN, and for carboxylic acid we are writing oic acid. So it is 2-hydroxy butanoic acid. Okay everyone. Antur,
Yes, sir. Got it.
Iman, to reply, Aditi, Samhita, Garima.
Sir, you gave something called
Reply.
sir, you gave something called
Hamida,
formal. When do we use that? Formula or something?
which one?
Sir, you gave something called formula instead of using a hydroxy acid. I think I got confused at that part.
Okay, okay. But I have, we have already gone through that priority of functional group. There
Yes,
I have given. Yeah, yeah.
I understand.
Okay, okay.
But what is formula? Sir, you gave something called formula. What is that?
Which one, beta?
Sir, I got confused. Instead of writing hydroxy, I wrote formula instead.
Okay, okay, okay. And now it is clear now.
Yes, sir. What is formula? Like, what's the difference in formula and hydroxy?
Hydroxy is alcohol.
And formula?
Huh, beta?
Formula, sir. Formula.
Formula.
No, sir. I got confused and wrote formula or something.
Okay, now, okay. So now your confusion is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, E1. E. So its structure is again very similar. So I'm using another color for that. So it is CH3, then CH, double bond CH, and C2H5 means CH2CH3. Okay, this is the structure. So here we don't have substitution, we don't have like functional group, only we have multiple bond. So that multiple bond will be closer from this side. So we have to number from this side only. So this is our first carbon, this is second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and fifth carbon. Very simple. Okay. So we do not substitution, it is not cyclic. So directly we have to go for number of carbon. So it is 5. So for 5 we are using pent. And from second carbon double bond is starting. So it is 2 E and E. That's all. Pent to in. Understood, beta, for that? No, for that E1, huh? E.
Yes, sir. Done.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
If your questions are like your answers are correct, so then again give 4 marks for both above.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, Samarth, what about you?
So just a minute, checking it.
Okay, everyone again take a screenshot, beta.
Yes, sir, it's the same.
Okay, so I'm erasing again.
Actually, sir, the problem is I have done it on what that voice app. So it showed us I got minus 10 marks.
Okay. See, minus 10, why? Because on WhatsApp I haven't posted the answer only. No answer was there. Only NA, like not applicable for short form. I have given NA, and that's why what WhatsApp has given minus 10 marks. So we'll go for that only, not from like no, we are not going to observe marks on WhatsApp. We have to check here only, okay? Yeah. For F, next will be F. So its structure is CH3, CH, on CH we have Br, then C double bond O, OH. Okay, very easy. It is functional group, so carbon number 1, carbon number 2, and carbon number 3. So we have to write name of bromine first, so it is 2-bromo. Okay, then number of carbon we have 3, so for 3 we are using prop. All the carbon single bond, so we are using A and E,
Propanoic acid.
and instead of E we are writing oic acid. So it is 2-bromo-propanoic acid. Very easy.
Yeah.
Samhita, now understood, beta? Aditi, Garima, Amtur, do reply. I am waiting for your response.
I understood, sir.
Okay. Samhita, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to check answer for G. So I am writing G over here. Okay. So it's H2 same as CH2. It is nothing but the CH2. Wait. Okay, it is CH2. Then we have, we are using that one. No? Okay, then double bond. Then C, on C we have 2 CH3. So here also CH3 and here also CH3. So this is going to be our main chain. Okay, carbon and double bond we have closer from this side. So we have to count carbon number 1, carbon number 2, and carbon number 3. So on second carbon we have methyl group as a substitution. Is it? Okay, so it will be 2-methyl. Number of carbon we have 3. It is third. So for 3 we are using prop. And see again here double bond start from first carbon. So if you want to give 1 or not, it's on you. It is not necessary. So I'm writing directly E and E. So it is 2-methyl propene. Easy, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amtul, understood, beta? Samhita, Garima, do reply. Keep replying.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. See, Sadaf and Samal, they don't like, used to, like, I don't used to call them for reply. So, like them also, you have to reply without calling the name. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Next. H. I'm using that place. Okay. So, we have C2H5 means CH3, CH2. Then we have CH, then double bond CH on CH we have Cl. So this is our main chain. So see, double bond is closer from this side, so we have to count the number from this side only. So this is our first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and fourth carbon. Okay, so again we have one substitution, so it's on first carbon. So if you want to give position like 1, if it's on you, it is not necessary. So 1 chloro. Okay, then we have number of carbon 4. So for 4 we are using but. On first carbon it is double bond starting, so ENE. That's all. So 1 chloro
Yes, yes,
butane is the name
very
of that.
simple only.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah,
Got it.
very, very simple. So got correct for
Yes,
all.
sir. So far, all.
Yeah.
So for each correct, you have to provide 4 marks.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the IUPAC name from the structure. Now we have to draw the structure
From
from
IUPAC name.
IUPAC name.
Okay.
It is also equally important. Okay, but it is really very easy. So what you have to do here? First, we are solving here. First one. Okay. See, first you have to go for it is cyclo or what? So yes, it is cyclo. Butane means
Sir, I have a
but
doubt.
means 4 carbon. Yes, beta.
Sir, when do we know when to use a line between two elements?
Huh, beta?
So when do we know to use a dash between two elements? Like for example, chlorobutane you gave, I used a dash. Does it make any difference?
Chloro 3 chlorobutane.
Yes, sir.
That dash.
So for the last question, I got the question right, but I put a dash between chloro and butene. So that's
No. You see, you shouldn't provide. See, I have told you, no, if number and alphabet comes together, then you have to use dash. Or alphabet after number we have, then also you have to use dash. If number comes together, then you have to use comma. And if alphabets and alphabets are there, so don't use space also. No comma, no dash, nothing. Okay. So while writing the name, you have to keep in mind this 4 thing, this 4 thing. Okay. Okay. So for first, we are going to draw the structure. Okay. For first one, see, first you have to check it is cyclo and butane means number of carbon 4. So just make cycle of 4 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the cycle for 4 carbon. Okay, all the carbon single bond. Okay, then on first carbon provide bromo. So here I am
Bromo.
giving
Bromo.
bromo, and on third carbon, so it is 1,
Chloro.
2, 3. So
Opposite.
here chloro. Okay, and now just fulfill all the valencies of the carbon by providing hydrogen to them. So see here that particular carbon. Okay, that one having only 2 bond here, right? So carbon have valency 2, means its 2 valencies are remaining. So just provide 2 hydrogen like this here. Here like 3 carbon, like 3 valencies getting fulfilled. So here we have 1 hydrogen. Here we have 2 hydrogen, and here we have 1 hydrogen. So instead of that, you can do like this also. It is CH2, then CH. Here we have bromine. Here we have CH2. Here we have CH, and here we have chlorine. So this is the structure. Okay, but if you want to draw the bond line structure, so bond line structure will be like this.
Yes, a square with 2 sides, bromo and chloro.
Yeah, one side bromo,
And
one side
actually, I have done the bond line structures. Is it okay?
yeah, it will do. Okay, understood now, everyone?
Yes.
Garima, Amdur,
Yes, sir.
Samhita, Aditi, easy beta?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now the second one, it's I and J. Okay. So it is I. Now we are going to solve the J1, and for that I am changing the color, blue one. Okay. See again, cyclo. So it is cycle. Hex means 6 carbon and all the carbon single bond. So make cycle of 6 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 like this. Okay. So bond line structure will be like this. Okay. Then 1,4 dimethyl. So on first carbon we have CH3 group, and from here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have CH3 group. Okay. So here we have CH3 and here also CH3. Anything else is there? 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane, done. Okay. So now we have to fulfill valency in that one. So see here that carbon have valency completed 3. So here we have CH, here we have CH2, here CH2, here CH, here CH2, and here also CH2. That's all. Everyone understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's really easy.
This was very
Done, sir.
simple, sir. Just-
Yeah.